Welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. Major progress is unfolding at Spotify Camp Nou as the third tier nears completion, and critical work continues in the compression ring zone. Crews are positioning rotulas, installing seating, and advancing structural elements across multiple areas of the stadium. Today's update reveals exciting developments around the project. Let's see what's happening around the stadium today. Starting at the compression ring zone, 4 pillars are positioned with radial beams and platforms staged. Numerous workers in white hard hats inspect and verify every movement in this critical upper cantilever area. While major structural installations haven't occurred recently, precise measurements continue as supervisors position rotulas, with topographers taking exact measurements. The tower crane moves rotulas in south goal, positioning them carefully. One was repositioned when supervisors weren't satisfied, requiring it to be lifted again for proper placement. Workers cut concrete slabs with torches, and welders operate throughout. The stadium's appearance has transformed dramatically, with the third tier dramatically changing the overall profile. The third tier seating presents major news. North Goal-Tribuna is now practically closed after yesterday's rapid installation. Only 2 days ago, this section was nearly complete, and now it's finished. The entire third tier stands ready except for South Goal, which requires final seating sections. Installation pace has been excellent, with crews working constantly. The roof installation is planned for summer 2027, with 3 months estimated for complete coverage installation. The stadium aims to host the 2030 World Cup final. Before we continue, please like and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds. It's free and supports our daily updates. Now let's continue around the stadium. Moving through various zones, rotulas continue positioning in upper areas with workers cutting slabs and welding throughout. The VIP area shows glass installed with first floor surface leveling complete. Now focusing on second floor work. Substantial prefabricated seating quantities are staged ready for upper third tier installation. These sections will install today or tomorrow. North Goal Corner, Benjumea trucks deliver soil, filling the ramp area in front of the Masia, rather than continuing excavation work. The small floor section lifted 2 days ago with mesh installed has been repoured and finished. Cooling system pipes are visible with some anchor installations in slat support structures. Workers apply treatments to beams throughout. A new structure is being assembled near the parking exit behind green containers, though its purpose remains unclear. Frame installation has begun with one entrance frame now positioned and another location prepared for the second entrance frame. This represents significant interior fitting progress. Workers continue operating below hollow core slabs approaching 6 p.m. with third-tier seating advancing rapidly in South Goal. A tent structure has been erected quickly in 2 days for the March 15th elections, where members will vote between candidates Joan Laporta and Victor Font. That's today's update from Spotify Camp Nou. Third tier practically complete in North Goal-Tribuna zone, compression ring rotulas positioning precisely, door frames installing at the official store diamond, and soil filling operations at the Masia ramp area. I hope you enjoyed today's update. If you did, please like the video, subscribe to MegaVerse Builds, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next construction update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.